Hey guys, welcome to our channel DevOps Hub. We hope everyone is safe and with good health. This is the first video we are trying to create for you and for all. So let's get started with a quick introduction about DevOps Hub. DevOps Hub is dedicated to bring you all the up-to-date content happening around the world related to DevOps. Along with this, we are pioneer in providing training and consulting for the DevOps tools and technologies, also the DevOps transformation. Today, we are presenting you a live virtual tour to the Skill Up event presented by DevOps Institute. We will gather all the possible information from the event and will share to our audience who missed the chance to attend the event. Also, we are going to provide you the future event details happening around the world on DevOps and related technologies or related work. So, without delay, let's jump into the event.
Hi, my name is Layla Mullins and I'm the Director of Events for the DevOps Institute. I'd like to welcome you here today to September Skill Up Day, focusing on DevSecOps. Today has been made possible by our fantastic sponsors, so a big hand to Micro Focus, Sysdig, Git Lab EU, DLT, Gravitational, Jfrog, Cloudbees, Instana and Datadog. Now that's a line. So please stop by their booths in the expo hall for a chat. As well as that, we have a stellar lineup of speakers for you today from all around the globe. They'll be sharing their skills and knowledge with you and be available to answer any questions in the chat lounges afterwards. Look out for competitions and prizes to be won throughout the day. And as per, we have our fantastic yoga teacher and mixologist on hand to add a little sparkle. So kick back, relax and enjoy Skill Up Day.
So here was a nice welcome video from DevOps Institute, and here you go and see the virtual lounge that DevOps Institute is providing for the event. So if we start from our left hand side, we have the Skill Up Day on DevSecOps. So this is the way they are providing us all the information. And if we go straight, there is an info lounge at the top of it where people can network, or you can say socially involve with them, with each other. So let's go and visit what's there in the Skill Up Day DevSecOps agenda. So what is this all event about? So we have where and what, two sections. The expo hall, where you are going to see all the sponsors. There is a auditorium where you are going to listen all the speakers. We have a networking lounge. As I already showed you, you can get socialized with people in the chat rooms. There is a leaderboard. We have a swag bag and we have a info desk we just seen while entering into the virtual room. So there are a lot of agenda here. There are already a couple of the talks over, so probably this is a time that we can, once we enter into the auditorium, we will see what topic is going on and we can try to join there as well. So I hope you have seen this, and I'll keep it open so that we can find out what's happening. So these are the Micro Focus, Sysdig, Git Lab, DLT, Gravitational, Jfrog, Cloudbees, Instana, Datadog. These are the major sponsors of this event. So let's go inside the auditorium and check out what's going on. Wow, look at this. So this is purely a virtual experience. So we have missed a couple of sessions, but there is a session going on live right now. Let's check it out, what's happening and the topic. Okay, it's a Zoom meeting. So let's see if we can log in. While it is getting logged in, I don't think it's going to help us right now. So without that, what I will do is let's play some of the skill update, the 5 essential workflows.
I'm Janet
for secure
Matsuda,
DevOps.
Sysdig's Chief Marketing Officer, and I'm joined by Pavan Shankar, Director of Product Marketing. When we talk to customers, what we are finding is that DevOps is expanding their role. They're taking ownership for overall health and performance and availability of their application. So that includes observability or monitoring. So they're monitoring health to ensure they can maximize availability and performance, as well as manage capacity and cost, and then troubleshoot any issues that come up. Even on the security side, the DevOps team is taking responsibility for core security and compliance functions. Now, typically, there is a centralized security team, and they're setting up the guardrails or the rules of the road for operating applications in a Kubernetes and container environment. But the DevOps team is setting up image scanning, applying runtime policies, checking for configuration best practices, and then triaging alerts and working with the security team for incident response and forensics. Because usually the DevOps team is in the best position when there is an alert to understand, is that a configuration issue or a threat that needs to be investigated? And so what we're seeing is monitoring and security and compliance are all converging into that DevOps workflow. And that allows teams to ship cloud apps faster. You know, it's backed up by the research. So this State of DevOps report from DORA, the DevOps Research and Assessment Organization, categorized DevOps teams in
CI/CD pipeline and shifting security left. And we provide a set of out-of-the-box image scanning policies that allow you to ensure that you have the right security and compliance checks early in the process. And we have these policies for Docker compliance standards like NIST and PCI, as well as
of our free trial. You can go ahead, go to our website and click on the free trial button and try it for 30 days.
So guys, that was a quick overview of the 5 essential workflows for secure DevOps. Definitely we didn't play the entire thing because it's almost 30 minutes of video. We just ensured that Pavan Shankar and Janet Matsuda from Sysdig has presented that topic in today's session. There are so many talks are coming on. There are also some lightning talks are involved, which you may enjoy in later. There are so many topics. So let's walk around in the lobby and see what's there. So let's go to the expo hall right now and check out what's there inside. So you can see there are the stalls of different products. The Fortify. Let's check out what they are offering right now. So it is taking me to the website of Fortify. Let's come back. It's still taking me to Fortify, and they are providing you a 15-day trial period. You can check them out. back to the floor. And Sysdig, let's check out what Sysdig is providing. We have some videos here. "5 minutes to onboard secure DevOps." That sounds cool. Let's take a quick look.
Hey everyone, today we're going to walk through getting started with the Sysdig Secure Essentials platform. In this video, we'll cover how you can get Kubernetes visibility and security insights in 5 minutes or less. We'll be going through the core workflows of image scanning, runtime security, compliance, Kubernetes and container monitoring, and then application and cloud service monitoring as well. Now let's get started with the installation. In a single line command, we can install the agent, which will communicate with the Kubernetes cluster, start the proper RBAC permissions, and then install that agent on every single node in the cluster. As soon as the agent's installed, we'll automatically start scanning all images, discover hundreds of applications, and give you key insights within minutes. As a SaaS platform, this is drilled down into a specific namespace to see the workloads. This will give me an easy agent is installed. Hopefully this gives you a good homepage to get started. Looking forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.
So Sysdig is one of the key player right now for image scanning. So there is something swag. So you have a book here where you can download it free. You need to register here. So right now I'm leaving it. So let's go to visit the next stall, and that is Git Lab. What's there in Git Lab? Some videos we have, some documents we have. I have collected all these documents which I'm going to provide in the YouTube link. Let's check out some videos here.
Building, testing, and releasing a new software product or update is expensive. And when you're integrating multiple tools and tool chains, a large part of effort can be wasted on just maintaining your tool chain. When your delivery teams spend their time on the tool chain and dealing with the islands of data and integrations, they're not working on what's really important: solving business problems. As a result, even if you've embraced DevOps, you may not be delivering software as fast as you could be. Luckily, there's a better way. Git Lab replaces your entire tool stack with a single application. From planning to creating, releasing to monitoring, GitLab covers the entire DevOps lifecycle, with no need to waste your time and money on integrating and maintaining disconnected tools and data. With GitLab, all your teams can collaborate on projects simultaneously, avoiding those handoffs that slow everything down. For a DevOps lifecycle, that's 200% faster. What's more, everyone can contribute to this open source application, so GitLab is continuously improving. Ready to unite your teams with a workflow that reduces friction and shortens cycle times? Try GitLab today.
So we had a quick overview of GitLab, and they are the let's visit the next booth. So gravitational is the next tool that we have. Let's grab some introduction on it. So it's taking to YouTube.
Hi there. In this video, we'll show you a quick demo of Teleport 4.3 Community Edition. Teleport is a simple secure access solution that developers use to remotely manage their cloud or edge environments via SSH or Kubernetes. Let's download and install Teleport. Teleport is an open source project. You can find it on GitHub,
Teleport 4.4
or you can download the pre-built
that
binaries
can be
from our
seen on
download.
YouTube. So I'm just closing that and moving further. to JFrog, Universal DevSecOps. I believe they have come up with a new tool, Jfrog X-Ray, which they are going to release shortly, and they are already started marketing with it, which is a latest tool that is going to provide a top-notch DevSecOps implementation. So definitely we will find some time to check this out. Let's grab some videos here.
If you want to trust your software you're developing from open source components, you need to invest a lot of time manually scanning for vulnerabilities, IP infringements, or performance issues. Sometimes you find what you're looking for, but sometimes you don't. Either way, you risk slowing down your productivity and your release cycle. But what if you could build with total confidence while actually speeding up your development time? Introducing Jfrog X-Ray, the universal binary analysis product that's changing the rules of how companies develop software. With Jfrog X-Ray, your developers can start using components immediately without the need for pre-checking that slows things down. Jfrog X-Ray allows developers to build first without limits. Once they upload artifacts to Artifactory, they are automatically scanned by X-Ray to identify issues and vulnerabilities. Because Jfrog X-Ray uses deep recursive scanning of binaries, it doesn't matter what component packaging system you use. X-Ray can find and analyze any component, giving you total visibility with all the metadata. X-Ray's database of new vulnerabilities and technologies is constantly expanding, enabling you to make better technical judgments with fewer trade-offs. And the great news is that it never stops working for you. X-Ray's impact analysis automatically carries on checking all your components against our growing database of new vulnerabilities and alerting you to new issues even after release. So now you can have your cake and eat it too, with trusted software delivered to your customers, faster and safer than ever. JFrog Artifactory with X-Ray Vision. Release fast or die.
That was definitely a good promotional video from JFrog. So I think with JFrog we are done with the booth visits. Let's check out if someone else is there. Oh yes, we have one and two more. Yes, we have CloudB, we have DLT. So let's check out CloudB and goes some videos we have. Concept to customer.
This is a presentation of the Thunder Demo Project. Hello, this is Doug Tidwell for CloudBees. But to say the least, this manager can show the auditors what they need to see while everyone else keeps innovating and moving the organization forward. And technology for CloudBees.
I'm not going to in detail with it. We can find out the videos. So I have collected all these documents, guys, in swag bag, and I'm going to get it in my email shortly. So I'm going to provide that in the links of the YouTube channel. So let's go back to the lobby and see what else is there. Expo Hall. We are already covered the Expo Hall. Let's go back to auditorium and see what's there. All this. So this is the lounge where you can connect and chat with people. Let's quickly check it out. What's there? Quickly check them out. People are chatting for their exposure. So let's click on the resources. I told you I have all of this got into my email, video vault. All these videos I have already downloaded, or in fact they will come to my email address. So we have visited all the booths, so hopefully we will win some prize. And let's go back to leaderboard. See, people got some prizes here. That's so cool. So that was around. We have everything covered in the skill up day, the auditorium, the expo hall, the lounge, and the best part is they are providing the next event, that is on October 15th, 2020, skill up day, AI Ops and ML Ops. Thank you everyone. I'm Priyadarshan signing out for the day. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.